20.
Hello?
15, 0,
I can hear you. What's the emergency?
3 seconds.
So, it's a Caucasian man that's walking down Ingalls and Daisy on this point with an AK-47 dressed in an armed military suit.
15, 0, 9,
and a camo skirt? Do you mean like camouflage?
Yeah, camouflage.
Okay, what street is he on?
He's on Ingalls and,
0, 9, and 50.
he's past Ingalls and Armstrong.
Okay, and which direction is he walking on Ingalls?
He's walking towards, Double Rock, like towards Hollister and Gilman.
3 seconds.
And you said he's walking towards Double Rock?
Yes.
Okay. How old does he look?
We look about his 40s,
13
mid-40s, early 50s.
Okay, 40s, about how tall?
How tall? About 5'8", 5'9".
Thin, medium, or heavy?
May 23, 2024.
What color top is he wearing?
10 and
So
23
seconds. It's all camel green.
Camo top and skirt?
Sure, yeah, correct.
Okay, got it.
15.
Is he saying or doing anything?
43
So he's
seconds.
walking around with an AK-47. Casually having his hand.
Okay, and he's not talking to anyone or saying anything?
No, he's not passing, he's walking.
Seconds.
Okay. All right. Did you want to meet with an officer, or are you leaving the area?
I was thinking of kids from school, so I'm going back to my program. I was having to drive up here, thinking of kids from school.
Okay, we're responding to Ingalls and Armstrong. They're going to check the area.
15,
okay.
11,
all right, thank you for calling.
Seconds.
There's a guy on the left side right there. Yeah.
Does that guy have a gun on him?
Okay.
He has a gun?
It looks like it. Right there on the left side.
Okay.
All right, we have the subject. He's going to be walking westbound on Carroll, approaching Jennings. He's going to be on the south sidewalk. Watch out, there's a guy right there.
Walking westbound Carroll on
San Francisco police.
Watch out. Watch out.
Sir, turn around.
Watch out.
Can you see it?
I don't know. He's walking. Watch out. Is that a rifle?
What you say?
I can't. It looks like a fucking.
That doesn't look like it.
Watch out.
No. No?
Nope.
It's not a rifle?
Yeah. Hey guys, it might be a crossbow. Watch out. It looks like a crossbow. It's a crossbow. Watch out. I think it can go through armor. Careful. Watch out. Where is he? Hey, drop the crossbow, dude. Drop it. All right, let's keep walking. Mobile. Yeah, hey, zoom on. You stay behind. You stay outside the car and just walk behind me. No, stay outside the car. Walk. Hey guys, we're gonna do a roving barricade. Drop the crossbow.
red light, let's lethal. Red light, let's lethal.
I'm on your left side here.
Drop it, hey. Drop it. You're not in trouble. Drop it. Come on, man. That's not working. Drop it.
If he points that thing. Drop it! Now! Watch it. Don't move. Move up. Don't fucking reach for it!
Let me see your hand! Thank you.
Calm down. Got it?
Slow it down.
Watch out.
Slow it down. It's not worth it. Just drop it. For me.
Just put it on the ground.
Hey, drop it.
Hey, wait. Back up.
Slow it down.
Sir, just stop. Stop and put it down. Put it down. Drop it. Drop it right now.
Hey, one person talk. One person talk. I'll talk to him. Hey, bro, just drop the crossbow, okay? Just drop it. Hey, it's gonna be fine. Just drop it. You're not in trouble. Just drop it so we can talk. Come on, man. It's not worth it. Just drop it. For me.
Just put it on the
Hey,
ground.
drop it.
Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop. Keep it. Drop it. Keep it. Keep your hand. Keep your hand.
Grab his hand. Grab his hand. Hey, slow it down.
Red light ammunition.
Drop it. Drop the crossbow.
Red light, less lethal. Less lethal.
One person talk.
Red light, less lethal. Less lethal.
Hey, bro, just drop
Less
it.
lethal. Less lethal. Red light.
Just drop it. Hey, it's gonna be fine. Just drop it. You're not in trouble. Just drop it so we can talk. Come on, man. It's not worth it. Just drop it.
If he points that thing.
For me.
Just put it on the
Hey,
ground.
drop it.
Drop it! Now!
That's fired away.
Watch it. Nope.
Less unit tonight.
Shots fired. Shots fired.
Giving red light ammunition.
Red light, let's lethal, drop it or I'll shoot! Drop it! Now!
Red light, less lethal. Less lethal.
Hey, bro, drop
Less
the
lethal.
crossbow,
Less
okay?
lethal. Red light.
Drop it. Hey, it's fine.
Drop it!
You're not in trouble. Just drop it. Come on, man. It's not worth it. Just drop it. Just put it on the ground. Hey, drop it.
Drop it!
Drop it.
Drop it!
Drop it. Drop it. Hands up.